तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान ईरान की सूरतहाल को करीब से देख रहा है। पुरअमन और मुस्तहकम ईरान पाकिस्तान के मफाद में है। हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग के दौरान तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ने वाज़े किया कि पाकिस्तान ईरान के मसले का पुरअमन हल का ख्वाहिशमंद है और ईरानी इल्म और दानिश वाली कौम है, जल्द इस सूरतहाल पर काबू पा लेगा।
Pakistan is closely following the developments related to the situation in Iran. We attach great importance to Iran both as a neighboring country and as an important player of international community and an important member of global fraternity. Pakistan hopes that peace and stability will prevail, and we reaffirm our support for all efforts aimed at peaceful resolution of the situation. The recent protests in Iran were triggered by economic difficulties faced by ordinary citizens, which have been further exacerbated, compounded by international sanctions. So we sincerely hope that the livelihood and financial support measures announced by the Iranian government for traders and general public will help alleviate the hardship faced by the people, and we offer our best wishes towards that endeavor. Pakistan remains confident that the Iranian nation will overcome these challenges and emerge stronger. A stable and peaceful Iran, free from domestic unrest, is in Pakistan's interest. We have full confidence in the wisdom of the Iranian people and the leadership, a wisdom rooted in their rich culture, ancient civilization, history, and resilience to address all the challenges confronting them.